Hi, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet crossover stitch. Start with a slip knot and chain multiple of 3. Insert your hook into the second chain and make a single crochet. Make a single crochet in each stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Skip one stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch and make a double crochet. Make a double crochet into the next stitch. Make one double crochet, cross over into skip stitch. Pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Skip one stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch and make a double crochet. Make a double crochet into the next stitch. Make one double crochet, cross over into a skip stitch. And repeat. End of the row, make one double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn your work. Make a single crochet into the first stitch. Make a single crochet in each stitch. At the end of the row, make a single crochet into the third chain. Repeat row 2 and 3 until you reach the desired length. I crocheted 10 rows. Thanks for watching. If the video was useful to you, make sure to subscribe for more. Support me with your comment and like. See you soon.